Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate trigonometric functions gamit yung ating right triangle trigonometry, specifically yung 6 trigonometric functions. Dito, ang alamin natin ay yung 5 other trigonometric functions given yung ating isang trigonometric function. Okay, it says, sketch a right triangle corresponding to the trigonometric function of the acute angle theta. Then use the Pythagorean theorem to determine the third side and then find the other 5 trigonometric functions of angle theta. So, kung napag-aralan na to dun nung kay grade 9 or in grade 8, parang review na lang ang mangyayari sa atin for this topic. Okay. Now, given sa atin for number 1 is cosine theta equal to 5 over 7. So, when we say cosine, yan ay adjacent side over hypotenuse. Okay? So, adjacent side over hypotenuse. Now, we're going to construct a right triangle. Okay. At na-denote natin that this is your theta. Ito ang kanyang adjacent side. Ito ang kanyang hypotenuse. Okay. So, therefore, ito ay 5. Ito ay 7. Okay. So, may missing side tayo. That is the third side. And we are asked to determine the third side using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Okay, ang Pythagorean theorem natin is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Sa case na to, kung ito yung ating b, ito yung ating a, ito yung c, so ang nawawala ay yung a. Okay? Transpose natin si b squared. C squared minus b squared equal to a squared. We have 7 squared here. We have 5 squared equal to a squared. Okay, so this is 49 minus 25 is equal to a squared. So that is equal to what? 24. Okay, 24 is a squared. And then we get the square root ng both sides. So we have by factoring that this is equal to 6 times 4. Okay, equal to a. We can remove yung ating 4 inside of the radical symbol kasi perfect square siya. So this is 2 square root of 6. Okay? Yan, 2 square root of 6. Since we all know now the value of a, we can now determine the other 5 trigonometric functions. Ano-ano yung mga yon? We have sine of theta. We have already cosine, so tangent theta. We have cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. By the way, later on, ang gagamitin natin, yung fundamental trigonometric identities in solving for the trigonometric functions of angle theta. Okay? But for now, gamit natin yung 6 trigonometric functions, yung ratios niya, gamit yung right triangle trigonometry. For sine theta, we have a over c, for opposite side of the hypotenuse. That is 2 square root of 6 over 7. Okay? And for tangent theta, that is opposite over hypotenuse. So 2 square root of 6 over 5. Okay? And then for cosecant, reciprocal lang nito. So we have 7 over 2 square root of 6. But kung ra-rationalize natin, multiply natin ng square root of 6 yung taas at baba. So that is 7 square root of 6 over 2 times 6, right? And square root of 6 times square root of 6 is 6. So we have 7 square root of 6 over 12. Okay? And for secant, reciprocal lang ni cosine. If cosine is 5 over 7, therefore secant is 7 over 5. And for cotangent, reciprocal lang nito. So that is 5 over 2 square root of 6. Okay? Now, rationalizing, multiplying both by numerator and denominator by square root of 6. So we have 5 square root of 6 over 2 times 6. So that is equal to 5 square root of 6 over 12. Okay? So, ganun lang ang pagkuha ng other 5 trigonometric functions given ang isang trigonometric function. So, what I'm going to do in my next video ay the number 3 na lang ang sasagutan ko. Okay? So, watch the next video. Thank you.